Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into TurboTax Live, complete guide step by step clearly. Open your preferred web browser. Type in the TurboTax website URL, www.turbotax.com. Once the page loads, locate the Sign In button in the upper right corner. Click on the Sign In button. You will be directed to the login page. Enter your email address in the first field. Ensure that the email address you provide is the one associated with your TurboTax account. In the second field, type in your password. If you've forgotten your password, click on the Forgot Password link for recovery options. After entering your credentials, click the Sign In button. Once logged in, you will be taken to your TurboTax dashboard. From here, select TurboTax Live if you wish to access live support. Follow any additional prompts on screen to complete your login process. If you encounter any issues, check for any notifications or error messages. You may need to verify your identity through two-factor authentication if prompted. If you're on a public or shared device, remember to log out after your session. Enjoy your TurboTax Live experience and access the tax assistance you need. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.